What's up, guys? I'm here with Jamaican boy.
Yeah.
Jamaican boy, Kenya, Africa.
Jamaican boy, Africa.
Africa, very
Yes.
good. Big one.
Yeah.
Jamaican boy, prepare. Yes. So Jamaican boy brought this. How do you call them, Jamaican boy? Palm.
Palm. Yes.
Palm. So look, we want them here. You see here?
Yeah.
Here you prepare one.
Prepare one.
And then you prepare one there.
Okay.
Make sure it's not very close to the house because these palms grow.
Yeah.
You see my size?
Yeah.
Do like this. A palm can grow up to this size.
Okay.
So if you plant it here,
Yeah.
so you can plant it here
Yeah.
and you plant another one right there.
Yeah. Another one is there.
Yes, these palms were brought by Jamaican boy.
Yes.
And today we are planting them. Aya, thank you so much.
Thank you
so much.
Sasa we chimba upande ukwe.
Hey. Yeah, guys. So these are king palm. King palm.
King cow, you're gonna
King palm. Yeah, we're gonna plant this one. Yeah. Another one is here. Another one is here. So I want to plant it, guys. Yeah, Boss Maro tell me that I plant it just like here. Okay, you see when he tell me that I don't plant it nearness the house. Yeah, I don't plant it nearness the house, so I have to plant it, but not nearness to the house. Ukweli.
Sasa hata mimi nitachokea mahali walichokea.
Yeah, so I'm waiting for Brian. Yeah, and the grandma so that we gonna plant this flower. You know, I must plant this flower with them. Yeah, so that it become good. So I can't plant the flower me alone. You see? Yeah, man. You can see the flower here is called King Palm. King Palm. Yeah, this is King Palm, guys. This is King Palm. Yeah, so guys, I've come here to plant the flower. Yeah, and today is after party. You know, today is after party, and so kindly you can see here they are building the wall. They are building the wall, but they are in a finishing point. Yeah, so guys, I'm here today. Yeah, after party, I'm here. Okay, so guys, I want to plant the flower that I bring to a Brian gift. As you can see, this is a djembe. Yeah, this is a djembe. This is a djembe. So I was wanting to plant. I want to plant the flower. I want to plant the flower. Yeah, man.
But if he gets sponsor, we need to buy new socks because this is for his school right now.
2 pairs of handkerchief.
2 pairs of handkerchief.
Yes. Hizo ni zake. Kuna sponge ya kuogea.
Sponge. Rabu.
Haya, uko na sabuni. Sabuni.
This guys is the one who wash your body with.
Kuna 3 pieces of
I didn't know the name is sponge. Not a soap. Yeah.
Yes. Tuko na omo.
Omo.
Omo. Kuna 4-5 pieces of tissue.
That one you can return it. People can see. 5 pieces of tissue. Try to arrange.
Kuna school belt.
We have a school belt.
Yeah. And mathematical set.
Mathematical set, fantastic.
Yes.
The best of the best.
And 2 pieces of glucose.
Glucose is
Three.
three.
Yes, 3 of them.
So when Masageso runs for
Image.
PE, physical education, Masageso has something to calm him down.
We have a torch. I
Torch.
think we should just test it now.
We
so
should
that people
test.
will
Yes, we should test.
see. With the 4 pieces of battery.
Yes.
So I wanna put this battery to see so that people cannot say that. Oh,
Morasiato unaona. I'm asking him, are you witnessing? He's saying yes. Masageso was the fisherman, guys. Those who are wondering what to do is you draw the mother actually come and see what
Inakusaidia big time.
because it's always important that the parents
this
know
torch
what
is for school.
Otherwise, they may even not receive the food in this
And these are school torch. And both is working. You can see.
It's working, yes, as you can see. Fantastic.
And have toothbrush, 2 pieces
Toothbrush.
of toothbrush. They
But
have
that's
been
also
hung,
good,
you can
man.
hang them
You see?
somewhere.
That's fantastic.
And
You even have toothpaste.
even a nail cutter is over here.
Nail cutter, Masageso, you cut your nails. Mine even
Masageso.
they are not looking nice. This I got an
This
Indian,
is for
guys.
school, my friend.
For school, Masageso.
Yes. And 2 pieces of shoe polish.
Shoe polish, right
Here
there.
are they. And 3 pieces of toothpaste.
Toothpaste, yes.
Yes.
Padlock.
With the padlock, I'm not seeing it here.
Padlock is right there.
This is the padlock. This
Yes.
is school padlock.
School padlock.
And the
Utafungia
watch.
hii. Hata we
And
need
they're supposed to be 2.
two. We need to buy.
Yes.
Tomorrow we'll add
Big
one.
Yes.
Yes,
These
big
are a watch.
We need to
school
buy
watch.
2 big padlocks.
And what do we call this?
Oil jelly for the body.
And
Here we buy Arimis for the car. Even me, I use this.
what is this for?
This is for the tag.
ID.
Let's say if they give him an ID or he can have keys, he
Yes.
can hang them there.
Okay. And you have pencils and pens
Pencil and pen
and a ruler.
and a ruler.
Even a
Sharpener.
sharpener.
Yes.
These are sharpener.
All right, I think you
So
can finish
this
the rest.
cost about
Sasa mama, hizi
and
vitu
this
sahi
one, a comb.
ni zako na Masageso. Juu ni kijana wako. I want you to translate.
Yeah, anasema
These things now
hizi vitu ni saa hii
they belong to you and Masageso,
ni
your son.
zako na Masageso kijana wako.
But for now we've decided they will be staying here for
Lakini
security
kwa saa
reasons.
hii tumeamua tabaki hapa kwa ajili ya
If
ulinzi.
Masageso gets a sponsor,
Na Masageso akipata sponsor
he will go to boarding school.
ataenda shule ya bweni.
If he doesn't get a sponsor,
Akipata sponsor
he will keep going to the old school.
ataenda tu ile shule yenye ilikuwa zamani.
Let him not feel bad because we are trying.
Asijisikie vibaya maana tunajaribu.
And already even he has something that he didn't have.
Na tayari akona chenye hakuwa nacho.
And this box, you can even stand on top of it.
Na hii
It's
box
the,
ni
it's the
ngumu.
best of the best.
Hii ni ngumu, hii ndio ngumu ya mwisho. Naweza hata simama juu yake.
Step on it.
Yes, these are test.
Test. Fantastic box. It can go for 20 years.
Hii unaenda
Yes. Until Masageso can transfer it to the young brothers.
Masageso ataachia ndugu zake wadogo.
All you need to do is just paint.
Sasa
and
kile
that's it.
unafanya ni kupaka tu rangi na maisha yanaendelea.
Haya.
Kweli hata mimi nashukuru
Let's
I'm
translate.
also
Ni
thanking you
asante.
and I'm saying thank you.
hapo penye zimetoka,
And
Mungu
where they
aongeze,
came from, may God
na
add
akipata
them.
sponsor
And
Mungu
when
amsaidie
he get
aende
a
asome
sponsor,
ili
let God
atusaidie.
help him
Wait
to
until
study.
she finishes the new translation. We're talking on top of her.
Okay. Tuendelea.
Nilikuwa nasema venye unaongea huyu ananyamaza kidogo umalize alafu.
Sasa ndio ninasema
Yes.
penye zimetoka hata mimi nimeshukuru.
Where they
Mungu
came from,
akisaidia
where they came from, I'm also appreciating.
If God helps, if God helps,
If God helps,
yes.
akipata huyo sponsor ni vizuri, tutashukuru hata mimi atusaidie.
when he got
Akisoma,
a sponsor,
atusaidia.
I'm really appreciating
If
for
he
him
gets
to
a sponsor, she will be very happy,
Yes.
given that Masageso will go to school to go and study. Ask her mother, what is one thing that Masegeso is good at.
Oko. Auntie, ni kitu gani kenye Masegeso ni mzuri kwacho? Yaani ni kitu gani kenye
anafanya vizuri?
Masegeso anafanya vizuri.
Kama fishing kitu anafanya vizuri.
Kutaka samaki.
Masegeso. Kutaka samaki.
Swali ni Masegeso. Ama ni swali yake yeye ndio anajibu.
No, the mother knows the son more than anybody else.
Masegeso naona anafanya vizuri, hata kazi nikimtuma naona anafanya vizuri na anapenda kwenda shule, ni vile hatuna uwezo.
He is doing good and
he's very obedient. He's very obedient.
Also school, he really like to go. It is just school because we don't have
school means.
Yes, means.
Yes, that's what she's saying, guys. True story. We are not putting words. Or Ken God, have you said something that is not like the way she said?
No.
100%.
Yeah.
Yes. Aya, ma'am. I don't know what is her last words because we want to pack.
Okay, maoni yako ya mwisho kwa watu, maana tunataka sasa
maneno.
Tell her to get it from her heart.
Tunataka tupate kutoka kwa roho yako.
Yes.
Funguka.
Kwa moyo wangu mimi naomba tu apate sponsor aende asome.
I'm just praying for let God to help him to get a sponsor so that he will go and study.
All right, guys, this is the fisher boy, Masegeso. His English is very bad, but we hope that if he goes to a boarding school, he'll be able to study. I know he needs things like books, but we are thinking we'll buy the books for next year.
Yes,
because already the textbooks next year, because already the year is over. The term is over, and also the year. Only 2 more months, we go 2026. I mean in schooling form. So thank you. Aya mama. Aya. Tell her we are not promising anything, we will see what will happen.
Hatuahidi kitu ila tutaona kitakachotokea.
Mungu ndiye anapanga. Umejua Mungu ndiye anapanga. Hatuwezi.
God plans. We cannot force. Aya Masegeso. What has Masegeso have to say?
Asante, tumeshukuru.
Kuna nini kusema? Thank you.
Masegeso says thank you. Aya. Rudisha vitu zako. Tomorrow we'll buy you 2 padlocks, big ones.
Yes.
That one is for the bag. The Jamaican boy has arrived.
Yes, Jamaican boy Africa.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, today I've come
hapo umeleta karibu sana.
Ona bosi hapa. Ona keke hapa. Hiyo ukuta kwa hapo hivi.
Okay. Tree planting. Yes. Has begun.
Flower now. That is not a tree.
Garden.
Yeah.
Gardening. The Jamaican boy brought royal palms.
Yeah.
Those are very expensive, you know.
Yeah, very expensive. You know, I bought it, boss. The celebration day.
Yeah, for the celebration.
How is your channel? You've monetized your channel?
Yes, my channel, the watch hours have already reached, but not yet to monetize.
So you're waiting for?
Yeah, I'm waiting for the
review.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of people, even the other guys waiting for review. Also here.
But me, I'm just waiting for 1,000 hours.
1,000 hours?
Yes.
We don't have 1,000 hours.
I'm waiting for 1,000 hours.
We have 4,000.
No, I've just reached 3,000. So I remain with 1,000.
No, these days you only reach at 3,000.
They have not.
No, I'm saying these days you only need
3,000 hours.
Not 4.
So.
I just want to thank you too, because you really help me.
One thing I want is you monetize your channel.
Yes.
And you push.
Yes.
You told me Gertrude, what's her name? Atrin.
Atrin, yes.
Atrin is your neighbor.
Yes, my
Atrin.
Yes, Atrin.
Make.
Atrin, you know, Atrin brought me a cow to my home.
Oh.
And that cow now has a baby.
Oh,
I feel like returning the baby to them to say thank you. Yes. Okay. But I gave it out to the neighbor.
Yes.
So now the neighbor keeps it. But
they're milking it.
They are milking it, but it's still my cow. This is a present, I cannot sell it.
Yeah, sure.
Yes. So it has to go deep, boss.
Somehow.
I think that is okay.
That is enough, yeah. This one is enough.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
Just dig below.
Yeah.
Hapo chini, katikati chimba katikati. Yaani chimbe tu isikue ngumu.
Yaani chini safu ya mchango story nje sasa.
Hivyo. Guys, what we are saying is he should just dig. Even this has reminded me, my apples are not doing very well.
What's happened to them?
I need to bring like spray.
A spray.
I'll talk to the guys of Tam Tam.
Are they the grafted ones?
The grafted ones.
So let me bring one here.
Yes.
You can even use water. You come with what?
Ken God, how is your channel? You already monitors.
Yeah, I monitor that my channel is really too bad. Wow, that's why I want
I will find time before this house we finish everything. So I can
Maji. Tulete maji pale.
Masaka, so bring water, Masaka.
So I have to.
Hello, Charles.
Yeah.
You can see it's very
Yes, I'm on video. I'm recording a video. Just give me like 5 minutes, then I call you.
And then, but boss, can I put it in myself?
No, you need to put it with the boss.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Or let they are feel okay.
You're supposed to put it with him.
Oh,
Yeah, that's why you just hold your camera.
I am Shagala Bagala.
So you have to put it together with him.
Yes, but also I'll bring one indigenous tree.
Yes.
They call it Esevi.
SAV.
I like it so much. It's my favorite African tree.
Yeah, SAV.
I'll
It
bring
goes far, but it's not supposed to be near
Near
house.
house. Yeah. So we hold me and you, or you?
Yeah, you and him.
This will grow. Yes. Just like that. Guys.
Water.
Yes, then from there we'll bring water. You know, actually it's supposed to be like that.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
that way.
No, I mean the soil up to that level.
Yeah.
Oh,
So that when it rains, it can hold a little water.
Yeah.
okay.
You know, this soil of this land is very fertile,
Yeah.
so it will grow faster.
I have these palms in my home. They're doing very good also.
And someone was asking how
That's
much
okay.
how much is the grafted apples?
Apples.
That came from Tanzania.
Oh,
I can connect them with Tam Tam.
okay,
And you know it's Big Mac who bought them from me.
okay.
This is already looking
Brian have
fantastic.
to put it to.
They need to fence.
Yeah. Have
Yeah.
to
Because
protect
there are
it.
2 goats here.
Yeah.
You know, trees don't like goats. Even
Yeah.
I had to sell all my goats and sheep
Yes,
because I wanted my trees to grow.
yes.
So it's supposed to be protected.
Very much.
Let's plant another one.
Let's plant the other one. Jamaican boy. Mungu anakupenda na kile. Uko na roho safi. Yani, you are a lively guy. You see the way you hosted Brian?
Yes.
That was maybe God's plan. I think here, look. It is
Here.
straight.
Here, where Jamaican boy is, where he
Ah,
stands.
yeah. Or
Dig
we can
where I've been
measure. Look. Wait. Look, no, do this. Go there and do matamboko. 1, 2,
Some steps. Yeah. Made some steps.
for you then.
Okay.
I even that, yes, catch.
Church tells.
1, 2, 3, 4 and a half.
Just come.
Come.
Come and do it here the
From
same.
up. He has to start from up.
Yeah.
Yes.
Way down. Because this is our measurement. Actually, on Friday, everybody come with a tree. We'll be planting trees here.
Yeah.
1, 2. Can even name mine.
No.
It's supposed to be 3 and a half.
I think.
So do 4. Do 4.
3 and a half.
1, 2,
3, 4 here.
just do 4.
At this point.
Because the tree will be right here.
Yeah.
You know where you didn't. Yeah, I think that's okay.
This.
Here is it has come drought.
It's because of the cement.
But when you go deep,
Yeah, it's soft.
yeah.
Soft.
Jamaican boy, real farmer.
Yeah.
So guys, we are planting some trees, but Friday will be tree
I do love flower. I'm a flower lover.
So guys, are planting here. This is Jamaican boy. So the one thing with the tree. This palmer tree. Team Chap Chap.
Sasa kuna yake ingine.
Oh.
Naitwa Masigwembe dance.
Ya huyo huja.
Friday watu mkuja na miti ya fruits na indigenous trees only. Okay. Please don't come with those trees. Don't want no.
Mti ya ndege.
Yeah, we don't want those ones. We want indigenous trees. I see how you plant. Very good.
Brian Jamaican boy is a big dancer.
Oh, he's a big dancer.
He's short section.
Oh.
Yeah, I do dance too.
Amazing. People are rich because of dance.
Yeah. Okay. You know? He's a good dancer.
And even you cannot be a very good musician without dancing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at Chris Brown or Diamond Platinum. You have to dance.
Jamaican boy is a musician.
Yeah,
he's a dancer.
You see,
today we had the biggest producer in Kenya.
Yeah, Magic Enga.
Yeah,
even he take a photo with him.
Take a photo with him.
Yeah, Magic Enga alikuwa.
The biggest actually.
Yeah.
But he wants us to do a deal with him to open a studio for him.
Yeah.
That's guys. You know,
it will be nice.
It was cool.
Yeah.
It was a very big guy.
Very big. You see the problem. You see the problem staying around people, especially in towns.
Yeah.
Town people is man eat man. They don't care. They can put you down just to have whatever you want.
He made a deal with a friend.
Yeah.
Then the friend came and
Hivyo iko sawa sasa.
took the studio and everything.
Oh my God. Jamaican boy.
Yes.
Jamaican boy said he's not married. He's looking for a girlfriend from America.
Yeah. Of course.
Even my video will end there. Tutamalizia hapo kwa leo. Alright guys, follow this young man. Ciao. Bye bye. Haya, mnatoa hii beti yako hata upate video. Haya rafiki yangu. Zangu nimesahau leo. Sasa hizo. Nataka nijue watu
So guys, even me, my video is going to end here. Yeah, for the Lot TV, go check me out, show me some love. Yeah,
Go check me out.
Yeah, Chelsea guys, support us. Peter Masare there, guys. Yeah,
Jamaican boy the dancer.
yeah, Brian and the Jamaican
Not
boy
dance,
from Kenya.
Chap Chap. Oh, it's Team Chap Chap. Give us a song we show you.
We show him how we dance, Team Chap Chap.
Show him how. You know now. You know him. He does like.
So this one is
Break dance. Yeah. So guys, thank you. As you can see, Brian.
Eka ingine maji ingine. Brian is appreciating this one.
Kim Palm.
Yeah.
King
Palm. King Palm. Yes.
Brian is appreciating it.
I was having the.
With me.
I was having the list. I was to show.
Does it bring coconuts?
The name. The special. No, it's not. You can see.
So guys, this is
It's called. The scientific name is Segrophadia.
Let me read for you.
Is it gay? Sephodia. Sephodia.
You can read that even for us.
And this is the price.
Yeah.
Okay. 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 So guys, this is the palm, the king palm. Yeah. Very wonderful flower. I really love the flower. That's why I came with this flower to a Brian mansion. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And thank you for everything, guys. Yeah. God bless you all.
give me a shout out.
Yeah, man.
Guys, this is Jamaican boy. We have a story with this guy. Let me show you how he dances on this shot.
Yeah.
That's Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson.
Now this is not Michael, it's Michael Jackson.
It's Michael Jackson.
So guys, I'm of Chacha Tales.
Yeah,
with here, you know, Jamaican boy. I mean, thought very good thought.
Yes.
I don't know if that's the right English. He has brought flowers.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Jamaican boy.
Thank you, bro.
From Africa.
You know, I've brought this flower. I can even come here even 20 years to go,
yes,
and I will find it here.
Yes, we will fence it really well.
Yeah, very well.
And you'll find it, Jamaican boy.
Yeah.
So go check me out. I go by the name Chacha Tales.
Yeah, of course.
Yes, and Jamaican is my best
friend. What's okay, so guys, you can see I have planted two of them. See, okay, I've planted two of them. This one, I started with this one. Now I have finished. You see, someone can see even you can see like it has already. It have been planted before, but I planted it today. Yeah, so guys, thank you for your support, thank you for everything, thank you for watching, thank you for your subscriber, thank you for your support, guys. So for me, what I can say is thank you. Yeah, because I have
Big thank you.
Yeah, a big thank you, one thank you, because I have nothing to pay Boss Marwa. Right now, you know, I have reached watch hours and I have reached subscribers. So I'm rotting to 3K.
Road to 3K.
Yeah. So guys, kindly please support me to reach 3K and 10K there, you know. Yeah. So this is my friend here. Yeah, behind the camera.
Yes.
He can introduce.
I was a cameraman shortly.
Yeah, shortly. Yeah.
My good name is Celestine J.
Yeah,
it's
man.
Celestine J.
Celestine J.
Many people found search me as Celestine with the C, but not C. With
Okay.
the S.
The
You know,
S.
C is for ladies.
Yeah, C
Yes.
is for lady.
C is for ladies, but for
Man.
S, for man is S.
S.
It's Celestine J.
Okay.
People we need support.
Yeah.
By subscribing, share and comment.
Okay.
We are brothers.
We are brothers.
Yes,
Let's show love, guys. There is some brother here.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My good name is Khalifa Mats. Who is Khalifa Mats on YouTube. So if you're just watching me for the first time, please go check me out on YouTube as Khalifa Mats. Subscribe, share, and like.
Okay, I think guys, before they go away, they will assist me to say bye to you. You know.
Yeah.
You know. Yeah, with a big vibe, guys.
Yes,
you know.
Imagine.
Yeah, imagine. Jamaican boy, Africa, Celestine.
Indian boy.
Indian boy
from USA.
From USA.
And my good name is Khalifa Miles.
Yeah.
So go check me out in YouTube. This
Yeah,
is my
man.
brother. This is my other brother from the neighbor. So
Yeah, man.
we are just
Imagine.
We have a strong connection.
Imagine from Jamaican boy, Africa. We have Indian man.
Indian man here. Indian from Jamaica.
From Jamaica.
Indian from Jamaica, my original homeland.
Yeah,
Imagine.
Indian from Jamaica. You can see. Very amazing. So kindly, guys, my video will end here today.
Yes.
Let me say thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, and God bless you guys. Okay, you can assist me to say bye. What's up?